Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Doctors in Brazil are treating burn victims using fish skin. Church in San Francisco opened its door for homeless people to sleep overnight. Trick used in Japan to slow down drivers. Kuwaiti guy married 4 wives in one wedding after his ex challenged him if he could find one woman to marry him. At the age of 14, she built and flew her own single-engine airplane. A train station in Japan had plans to close but noticed a student was the only one using it. A selfie taken at the top of Mount Everest destroys the flat earth theory once and for all. The world record for the most babies born to one woman is 69. There are more people living inside this circle than outside of it. North Korea's 105-story Ryugyong Hotel, nicknamed the Hotel of Doom, is the world's tallest unoccupied building. Scientists turn spinach leaf into beating human heart cells. Out of the top 30 developed countries, American students rank 25th in maths and 21st in science but rank first in confidence. Apple's App Store once had an app called I Am Rich. Shrimps are all born male but slowly grow into females. Intelligent men and women are more easily annoyed by people in general. These specially trained people tell stars where to stop on the red carpet and you're still complaining about your job. The world's smallest chess set in a ring. A photographer, Michio Hoshino, took this photograph moments before his death, 1966. Scientists recently discovered a new species of dogfish shark called the Squalus clarke. This fire breather looks like he's kissing a fire dragon. Wow! There is a spa in Jakarta, Indonesia, where they massage the clients with snakes and pythons. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, uses every letter in the English language. A man was saved by not ordering Domino's pizza. When Charlie Puth was 2 years old, he was attacked by a dog which almost killed him and gave him his famous eyebrow slit. Hitler's mother considered abortion, but the doctor persuaded her to keep the baby. Biology is the only science in which multiplication means the same thing as division. In Japan, the Hiroshima peace flame has continuously burned since it was lit in 1964 and will remain lit until all nuclear bombs on the planet are destroyed. The whole world of somebody. During a typical lifetime, people spend an average of 6 years dreaming. This is what turquoise ice formations on Lake Baikal, Russia looks like. This woman's husband and son died in a car crash while going home after a match. She received an invitation for the next match. In 2016, we received a mysterious radio signal from a source 5 billion light years away. There is a mall in China that offers husband storage where wives can leave their husband while they shop. This man creates a free school under a flyover to educate poor children. In 1986, a beer-drinking goat was elected mayor of a small town in Texas, USA. Purring does not always mean happiness. Purring could mean a cat is in terrible pain or is terrified. It's illegal in Queensland, Australia to own a pet rabbit unless you can prove that you're a magician. In 1963, the Bronx Zoo had an exhibit called the most dangerous animal in the world. It was a mirror. In 2012, a missing woman in Iceland unwittingly joined a search party that was busy looking for her. The horses sleeps only 30 minutes in 24 hours and they sleep in standby position. The peak of Mount Everest rises in height by approximately 2 cm each year. Earlier, the chewing gum were made of pig fat, but nowadays it's made of plant fat. Gently holding the pencil between your teeth relaxes the temporalis. 1 week of monarch butterfly caterpillar's growth. In 1518, there was a dancing pandemic which occurred in Strasbourg. People danced uncontrollably for 1 month and died of heart attack. Thanks for watching.